going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be converting my Epson WorkForce 7720 into a sublimation printer. I know some people said don't do that, but for me, in my business, I can make extra money using a sublimation printer, and instead of outsourcing all the stuff that I need for it. I do, side jobs with custom shirts, things like that. So this is just the best choice for me to do for my business. So I'm actually going to be using Cosmo's sublimation kit. I've read all the reviews on basically every ink kit out there. This is the one that everybody recommends. So for my choice, I'm going to use this. I don't know, anybody can do whatever they want, choose whatever brand you want. I'm going to go with this one to convert this into. So this kit actually comes with the cartridges for the Epson, the syringes, and all the inks. So this is going to be my first time ever doing this. I got this kit, I believe at the time that I got it, for $75 off of his site. And I'm pretty sure the other Epsons are basically the same, but it gives you a list on the back of basically, the Epsons it'll work with. So I got it for this one. Never did this before, so I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna set up the camera and film the process of me doing this. So I'm just gonna get right into that. Okay, so I have my lady home with me now. She's gonna help with the process of filling these. Yep. This right here is the air vent. Leave that on until you get it into the printer. You go all the way up to the 10 milliliter line. And you're gonna wanna shoot it into the corners to get it all down the bottom. And you could save your syringes because you just clean them out in the sink when you're done, and that way you could use them because you're not using up all your ink. Okay, so on the black one, so watch for it if you get a kit, they put the fill port cap and the airport air vent cap. They mix them up, so you're supposed to fill it in this one. So I'm still gonna try it and see what happens. All right, so next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to settings, you're gonna go to maintenance, and then you're going to go to ink cartridge replacement. Hit start, and then it says lift the lid. So we're gonna lift the lid. So lift this up closer. So that's gonna do like its little thing. Once it docks, now we can go and take them out. There's a tab back here. Just pull the tab and wiggle them. These are the original ones that came with it. We're gonna put these back. I'm gonna see if that black one, that air vent one, I'm gonna take my air vents out now. And just put these off to the side, because that way if you go somewhere, you don't want them to dry out, you can put them back in. I'm just gonna throw everything back in the box. Close it up. So it's loading up right now, and pull this back up. And then I know I've read if it keeps coming up that there's something wrong, just keep going in and playing with them, pulling them back out and setting them back in. It says just please wait right now. Okay, it says replacement is complete. So you hit OK, and then go to print head nozzle check. Let's see, load letter paper, plain paper, and touch start to check the nozzles. I'm gonna do that for a test to see what it is, and then I'm gonna do the head cleaning. Probably gonna have to do this a bunch of times. That's the first one. Let's see if I can get that focused in. Turn off this light here. Okay. That's the first one there. Check the print pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that as 1. Okay. Let's see. Print head clean. All colors. Okay, so then it comes up, it says print head cleaning complete, printing and nozzle check is recommended. Print pattern again, and hit yes. Hit start again. Now it's gonna give me the second one. Okay guys, so it took me 9 times to get it. Here they are. The top one is the regular ink and the bottom one is the sublimation ink. So make sure too that you check the, like I said, the air vent and the filler nozzle to make sure that you got them the right one. They sent it to me with them in the wrong thing, so make sure you check that. So that takes about 5 minutes each process for this. So that's it. So this is ready to go now. Alright, so I'm gonna hold them up for you one last time. Top one's regular ink, bottom one's sublimation ink. It took me 9 times. to do the nozzle checks and the cleaning. So just keep doing the process over and over until you get the full lines, just like the top one. Alright guys, so that's how you convert an Epson WorkForce 7720 into sublimation printer using Cosmo's sublimation ink kit.
And if you guys like what you saw, then throw a like, comment, subscribe, and he's going to keep coming out with more of this t-shirt content, and we'll catch you on the next one.